been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning, guys. It is so early out. Very early today. It's still foggy. Mr. Williams is hard at work. Oh, getting greeted by the dogs so early. So we're getting an early start today on the house. A very early start. Let me close the door. It's so early. Some people are still sleeping and the kids are still sleeping, but not early for us. I hope you guys are having a blessed morning so far, and the sun is just nice for me. So see, Mr. Williams is already up and he's working. We didn't come to play. We didn't come to waste no time at all. So let me put you guys down here for a second. This is my little work office. So this is, I assume, it's my little work office for right now. So I'll put you guys down and then I'm gonna go get my chair. Everybody's I said they're sound asleep. Yeah, you could always hear music so early in the morning too. Okay, let me go get my chair. I'll be back. So I got my chair. Oh, it's almost finished underneath there, but let's go see what Mr. Williams is doing. I'm gonna go from the higher part. I said I was getting up and getting myself together to come and help him this morning, but I'm gonna help him by vlogging. I have no, I have to put on some work clothes in order to help him, and I don't have no boot on. I got sandals on. You guys see the fog? Let me show you guys. So you can see the fog is still foggy. Ah, Cassie, what? Good morning. Oh yes, yes, Mr. Dana. Alright, so as you guys can see, he's finishing there and he's just putting on the rest of the stuff because we want to. Oh, look at the mist. You could see it. I don't know if I could catch it on camera, but you can see it all the way back there. Let me see if I can get over here. Oh my, shoot, I am gonna be so muddy. These are not the shoes to be wearing in this type of stuff. So look, guys, just give you guys, if you see it's still foggy, this is how it was last night. I woke up to it. It was a lot worse, but it's nice. Oh Lord, I just tied him down for a little bit. So work is getting done, guys. They're working on it. Work is being done. But boy, this sun, like this, I could wake up to every single morning, and I've been waking up to this for the last few mornings, and It's just the best feeling in the world. You wake up to greenery and the sun and just nature. You hear the birds, you hear the chickens. Well, the cock them to wake you up. Whoa, oh Lord. So this is the life. Oh, sorry guys, last night I forgot to finish record us when we roasted the yam and saltfish. Man, that was good. That was good. It was just a nice little family thing that we just, we're all craving, and we're like, all right, let's go roast some yam and saltfish. And we did that, and we slap on some butter on it, and we ate. Oh, there's another little one. Yeah, so, and it was really, really good. The dogs them come. As Mario dig the thing, the dogs them come because like, well, I'm over here now, so they're following me. So then they come and then they're pushing back the dirt down from where he dug the place. So, yes. Oh Lord. Right now, I don't even know what part of the house I'm standing in, but I'm just hoping that, things will be able to move a little bit more now than there's what piece kind of dropped back behind you than it moved last time. What do you mean it's me breaking it down? Don't let me take the shovel and slap you. Hello? You really are, you want me to show the people them way I try to stab me with the fork? Huh? You say you talking? Eh? Mash up the camera, Mr. Williams. Mash up the camera. I'm not playing with you. You see how early it is in the morning? So I didn't. Ah, Mario! Look how you making me make so much noise so early in the morning. Look at me get the... Mario, you see how much throw the shovel up? I just want to take you and lick you off of there. Eh? Eh? You want me to take the shovel and lick you off of there? You know, say I know good drop you get though. I threaten you. No, me not threaten you. I'm telling you. It's a fact. Yeah, you are threatening me to stab me with the fork. Well, you dare threatening me with fork. You see you talking? Oh my gosh. Watch out, somebody just pick up this or something here. My hands all dirty now. Crudge. Well, I guess I'm gonna go help. Huh? So I'll help you and then you can bathe me. How about that? That sounds good? What? No. I'm gonna box you with a shovel. Mario, I'm not playing with you. See it? Eh? So you want me to step on this to keep it compressed? I could do that.
No, I really lie down.
What?
Lie down and
roll. Lie down and roll? Yeah. So you just stare so. Eh? Hey, see something you like? Huh? I no say something you like, man. They just they look so. If you didn't see something you like, you wouldn't be looking. Right, Mr. Williams? Right? So, yeah, guys. Let me go and put this camera down, and I'm going to help him. I have some footage that I need to edit for you guys. So some of the vlogs will be just us working. Like I said, it's time to work, and that's what you guys will be seeing. So some of the process, you guys will just be seeing videos of just the house being constructed together, and other videos you'll be seeing us out and about and doing some stuff. I definitely need to go into town, but not now. Maybe in the next few days or next week. Yes, we have a few weeks. I need to go into town because I need some stuff for the house. Like, I need to get me some stuff. I have a list of things that I need to go and get. So I definitely want to go and do that. So, but for now, I'm just gonna help this troublemaker here. And yeah, I can't believe that shirt still fits you. Oh, yeah, kiss it off. You want me to jump on you down there? Or just because it's still in my way, you know? Alright, guys. I'll catch you. I'll see you guys in a bit. So we got the guys up there going to work. They're supposed to be bringing on the steel to finish dropping over there so they can, I guess, finish casting or decking it off. And then yeah, finish casting there, and then they're gonna start decking it off. Hard at work. That's why enough who wear jeans on the side. Hey, you need like a loose pants, loose track pants. You have to go through. So, oh, let me see. I'll show you guys where they're putting this thing down. Oh man.
Yeah. Ready?
I'm gonna fall. Hold on, guys. Oh, I got a little ladder here I could step up on.
Alright, go ahead and make care of you.
Wait. So how you gonna manage now? I walk over.
Where you put him in?
You should have called Memphis to come and do that part. Hold on, guys.
What you want to get on there, sir? What you can put? Oh, shit. Oh, I don't know where you from. Slip up your back. Yeah, just slip up your back. You lift up it? Yeah. Alright.
And me a catch. As I'm on this little piece of leather. Try not to fall. So, oh look, they have little plum on the tree there. So this is the plum tree, but I think what happened, lightning must have hit it, but it's still bearing back, it's growing back. And they have little ones on the trees. Whoa, it's dropping. I dropped on your toe.
Oh, you make that one, then you go in, Mario. Oh, yeah, say left it on here too. You can't go down now. Somebody more black. So that one here. Wait, Mario, wait.
You have to go lift it over that one.
Wait, Mario.
You have to go lift it.
Lift back here.
I said this ain't no easy work. I said foreigner they have all the equipments to do everything. A different form of building a house overseas than it is out here. And yet the houses overseas are so expensive compared to these ones. Well, these ones are expensive, but the house overseas are well more expensive. You guys see, so this here is what they just they're dropping in right now. So this one's already dropped in. So it needs to be filled. So they gotta fill this one. So that they call it cast. They call it cast. Where's your harness, Janai? You know, overseas you would have to have a harness on. I can turn around first.
That's too much of him there, right? Going now.
Okay, good. Should be good. Go down.
One a bucky. Which one a bucky? One day somewhere you did it.
There.
That one.
It's good to go down now.
Oh, you're right, that's all. That is all. And you can't only get us in. Maybe you should just make it come on the outside, that one thing. Come over side here. Eh? Yeah. Make it come over side there. Lift up your back.
Okay, Johnny! Make sure you see your mark, you want to
There.
No man, the twisted on my row, I wrong one.
What you do?
I can't help it, post.
Oh, I put it over there.
So there's a post all the way over there in that tree, and it's stuck. Like he's high up in the tree. They're gonna have to figure out a way to get him out, and he keeps going higher. I think maybe because the dogs are chasing him, he went up in the tree, and now he's been stuck there for a day or so. So they're gonna have to go try and help him.
You can't. When they put that inside.
Oh my gosh. You guys are giving yourself more work to do.
Yeah, come out here, come piece me. You push it right down. Right piece me there. Oh. Yeah.
You gotta go get the other piece first.
Yeah, push in there.
Yeah, make it 5 feet.
All our thorough fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. But in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day. You want my